concrete, looking for somebody different, cause my daddy was a pimp. My mama had her issues, but I miss her anyway.